In this video, I'm going to show you how I make a navy blue fondant. Hi guys, it's Karolyn. I am back with another video, and if this is your first time here, welcome to my channel. And if you want to see the different ways that I bake and decorate cakes and the different tips and tricks I have for cake decorating, then please hit the subscribe button and the bell notification so you can get notified whenever I release a new video. So right now I'm filming intros for a couple videos that I have on my phone, and it's raining and thunderstorming and the lighting sucks, but I'm sorry, I just need to get this done. So I'm sorry if the lighting sucks. But anyway, in this video, I wanted to show you how I achieve a navy blue color in fondant. Navy blue is one of those colors that really annoyed me until I got it. So if you want to see how I make navy blue fondant, then just keep on watching. Okay, so I'm working on this cake and I need to get this navy blue, which I already have some here, but I'm covering a tier in the navy and I have to cover the grad cap, so I need more of this color. And I thought I would show you how I make my navy blue. So I have my white marshmallow fondant here. I can link how I make this below. And in order to make this color, I have some royal blue, some black, and some purple icing coloring. So what I do is have a larger ratio of the royal blue, a little bit of black, and a little bit of the purple. Mix that together, and then I will keep adding color until it gets to the consistency that I want. Using a little Crisco in my hands to keep the fondant from sticking. Usually I take a little more Crisco out and put it on the counter just because this is going to get really messy in my hands and I don't want to get color in the Crisco container. And man, that was my first try. Usually I have to keep adding some more color, but I got the ratios really good just on the first try. It pretty much matches this. So now what I'm gonna do is just mix the two colors together so it's all the same color. And now looking at this, I feel like this is a little too blue right now and it needs to be a little darker. So what I'm going to do is add a little more black to this to try to achieve this darker shade of navy. Just a little bit at a time. It's better if you add a little bit and then have to go back and add some more than adding too much because you can't take it out. Hearing it, it's getting a little darker. I think I want to add a little more black. And I feel that is pretty close. It'll deepen a little bit more as well as it sits. And there's how you make your navy blue fondant. So here you go. Here is your navy blue fondant. Now I find just like any other shade of color, just like any other color, there are a lot of shades of navy blue that you can do. So you have to mess around with the ratios, if you will. If it needs to be a darker navy, you're going to want to add more black. If it's lighter, you want to ease up on the black and maybe add a little more blue. If you add too much purple, it's going to look purpley, and I'm sorry that it's thundering right now, but whatever. And why do I keep apologizing for the weather? I mean, it's weather. It's Mother Nature. It's not my fault. But anyway. After I use fondant, I usually wrap it in a piece of plastic wrap, if I remember to do this part. And then I have bags here, Ziploc bags. Look, here's all my blues and greens and purples, and I throw that in here. And I have another bag of pinks and reds and orange and yellow, and I have a bag of brown and black and gray. I don't know why I do it like that. Maybe, whatever, my OCD or I don't know. You can do it however you want to. And I always put them in bags because I feel like it doesn't dry out as fast. And then I have this huge lock and lock container, and I just keep all of my fondant in here. Yeah. And usually I can keep using the, why am I standing like this? Usually I will keep using the fondant until it starts getting really hard. Since I add Tylose powder to it, it does stiffen up a little faster, so I can get a couple times use out of it before I need to throw it out. Navy blue icing. That was loud. Why'd I scream? Navy blue icing. If you want to ice a cake in a dark color like this, like I usually don't do that because you have to add so much coloring to the icing to achieve this color, and it's kind of gross, someone eating like all that icing coloring in the icing. It can affect the flavor of the icing, and I just think it can be a little gross. So if I have to get a cake that is like black or navy blue, sometimes red, sometimes I can do red in the icing, but I usually ice the cake in white icing and then cover it in this color fondant. And I also have, I think I'm going to start like a color series because I did one earlier, it was probably about a year ago, on how I do hot pink icing in fondant. And the other day I posted just a picture on how I achieved a maroon color, which maroon, oh, we have Temple University in this area, and there's a couple different universities and schools that have this specific maroon, and I couldn't get it. And I finally got it, and I posted it on my YouTube, like, it's like your feed, not your videos, but like a feed of the color combination that I did. So I will start a color series because for some reason I am really good. I pat myself on the back because I'm really good at picking apart a color and seeing the different colors that are in it that make it. But there are some colors that just get me, like navy blue did, and that hot pink and that maroon. But anyway, I'm rambling. So I can't think of anything else to say about this. If you have any questions, leave them below. I usually try to answer any comments on my videos in the mornings, so I will get back to you as soon as I can. And please like this video if you liked it. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't already and you want to see more videos like this. And you can follow me on Instagram, you can follow me on Instagram, you can, but you can follow me on social media. I am on Instagram and Facebook, and I have my website. I will link all of that below. Thank you so much for watching the video, and I will see you